Okay, pasta amigos and amigas, Eads here. Man, I've got something very awesome that I just received today. Wanted to let you guys know about it. It's going to be coming up here in the next couple weeks or so. So I noticed a few things that caught my attention that were really negative. One, the neck out of the pocket is angled out. It's not. It doesn't have a pitch, like a typical pitch, like a Gibson or anything. It has a pitch going out like this. So I need to check inside the neck cavity to see what's up. Luckily, this is a bolt-on acoustic, so I shouldn't have too many issues. Maybe it just requires sanding. I don't know. The other thing is the bridge and the backwards is popping out like this. I don't like that at all, so I'm probably going to have to reset that as well. The nut looks in good shape. The fretboard is going to need all new frets. So this thing is going to be detailed to the T's. So, all my subscribers, you got some more action. Hot action coming your way. All right, later.